Hi, my name is Emily Hessler and I'm a guest designer for the Little Paper Tree, and I hope you will like my card for today. It's featuring some 6x6 paper from Heidi Swap, and this is foilable. I cannot speak. This is meant for foiling. And I picked out two of the papers in this pack. It actually comes with 24 pieces and it's 12 different, and you get two of each. And I chose this light pink one with the stripes, and I foiled it with some gold paper, gold foiling paper. This is from Thermoweb. And I'm running it through my laminator. I don't have any Minc machine, so I'm using this, and it works out just fine. I let this go through my foiling machine twice, just to make sure I got every spot, and then I peeled off the paper, and that is always the best part. Look how sparkly this is. And I trimmed it down to the size I wanted it to be, and then I used some foam tape to adhere this panel onto a A2 size card base. And you can see here I'm struggling a little bit with my adhesive here. I actually have to change the rule. So I'm sewn finished here, and I will just peel off all that backing paper, and then I can press this down. For my focal point, I will use a stamp set from Concord and Night called Banner and Bloom stamp set, and I also use the coordinating banner here. It's a die that you can get in the shop, and also all the products I will leave links down below for, so you can find them easily. And I love birthday cards, so I decided that this was gonna be one of those. And in this stamp set there are a lot of small flowers and leaf, and I decided just to quickly color them in one of my favorite color combinations, and this is this pink and green, light green, and the yellow one, but I decided not to include any of the yellow flowers that I colored, so I decided just to go with the pink. And I love how that contrasts against the gold, the green, and all that black. You can see some of those are just some black dots, and they are so cute. And I love how that contrasts together with the flowers. So I'm just creating a cluster, adhering this down as I go along, making sure I like how it looks. And I did this, it went very quickly. I think I sped this up about 3 times, so it went really fast to make this card actually. So if you want to replicate this card, it's an easy one. All you have to do is have some pattern paper, or if you want to use the papers I used, you can always do that. There are some other fun designs in this pack, so I encourage you to check it out. And also you can see this stamp set can be very versatile, and you can use it to many occasions. So I'm just gonna go ahead and adhere the last bits and pieces here, and then we will pop all of this up with some foam adhesive on the back side, and we're gonna press it down. And I want this to be a little higher up, not exactly in the middle. I want it on the upper part of this card. And when I'm pleased with the placement, I'm gonna press all of that down. And I will not do that much embellishment for the rest of the card. I'm just gonna use some sparkling pen, and that will pretty much finish this card off. You can see I went in with a black glaze pen, and that is just to make those black dots stand out a little bit more. I love the black against this pink, as I said previously. I think that really makes this card pop a little bit extra. So that was it. If you like this card, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. And I will be back next month with my last video for the little paper trees. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!